We will start on the Create Custom Note page. And here the first thing that we need to do is enter the underlyings which we're going to price. You have the option to either use the stock ticker. So for example, if we're looking for Amazon, we can type in AMZN for the stock ticker and simply select it. If you're looking, if you're not sure of the ticker, but you can just simply search for the name as well. So if we then go for something else like Alphabet, rather than typing in the ticker Goog, we can just type in the name and select it from the drop-down list. Next up, we have the tenor of the product. So how long it's going to be. We'll leave it at 2 years for now. And then we're looking at a worst of basket, solving for an annualized yield. In terms of currencies, we can add in additional currencies if they're required. Otherwise, you can select from the drop-down list. Here we'll take US dollars and we'll price in a commission of 2% for the distributor. In the next section, you will find the risk profile for the structured product. So we start with the principal protection type. Here you can choose between a European barrier, monitored only at maturity, vanilla strike, so just a vanilla put, or an American barrier monitored on a daily closing level. You can have a slider bar, which simply allows you to choose the capital protection level, which will move in increments of 5. If you're looking for more customization, you can key in your exact barrier level, selecting the box here. Next up, we have the coupons section for the yield enhancement products. So here you can choose between your guaranteed coupon, your conditional coupon or contingent coupon, and a conditional coupon with a memory feature, as well as then selecting the coupon period. Here we'll set it to quarterly, and your coupon trigger. This will instantly default to the same as your capital barrier level, but then can be customized afterwards if that's what you desire. Finally, in the last section, you have the ability to choose your autocall types. So here you can have a vanilla autocall, a non-callable structure, so effectively pricing a reverse convertible, issuer callables, as well as step-ups, step-downs, and a fully customizable autocall. You'll also find a neat feature here where you can select to see the full levels of your autocall schedule, just to make sure that you're pricing exactly what it is that you want. And then it's as simple as creating click and price. That has now sent off the product for pricing with our panel of issuers. And at the same time, if you want to do an additional pricing, you don't need to wait for this to return a result. You can simply change the features of the product which you're looking for and send off to price again. Now, whilst we're waiting for return results to come back from the issuers, why don't we have a quick look at the pop-up, which you can access by simply clicking on the flip card. Here you'll find some nice analytics, including rolling returns for the product, so how the lease performer underlying that you've chosen would have performed on a rolling basis over the lifespan. On the next tab, you'll find simple price return charts for the stocks. On the look back feature, you'll see how the product would have performed had you launched it 2 years ago, or an equivalent duration for that you're pricing. And on the events tab, we have Monte Carlo simulations, giving you probabilities for coupon payments and autocalls. And finally, we have the quotes tab, where you can see the return from the various issuers which we have impaneled. As soon as we get a price in, that'll start to populate, and then that'll continue to populate over the next 5 minutes or so as all of the issuers come to quote. If you would like a demonstration of our new digital platform, please contact one of our sales team, who will be happy to show you all of the benefits of the tool. Together, we can change the way we trade.